crappy plastic Dell keyboard, but it does the job. Most of this gear is pretty much second hand anyway.
Bro, what is this PC? Jeez!
We got a 1050 Ti.
Yeah, the dust in there is crazy. Well, what's this chair? Why have you got a Herman Miller chair?
I haven't actually got a chair, I'm just borrowing it off my dad.
That makes sense. Some of the parts of the setup aren't that bad, like the monitors are all right.
Which means we can take away some of the items from the original setup we built and give Dan the essential upgrades the setup needs. I'm also going to go ahead and buy some things to make the setup look nicer as a whole, because if I don't do this, even with all my upgrades, it's still going to look like it belongs in one of them worst setup compilations. So,
First things first, that setup needs to go. Now we gotta paint this.